Hello and welcome to a very quick episode. I'm going to be doing a quick drawing of the winners for these two seed packs. So hopefully you entered the competition on one of the two videos from Friday, my first update video for 2020, and make sure that you had left a hashtag of Stay Spicy ChilliChump. We're going to be doing the random drawing, one winner from each of those two videos. So let's get started. This is the first video. This is the normal length update video. And let's go and put that into the comment picker. And the hashtag was Stay Spicy ChilliChump. Make sure you guys spell that right when you do enter my competitions. So there's 183 commenters, or unique commenters, that put in that code. And the winner is Gustav Mayberg. Brilliant. So another South African. I think a South African won the last competition that I did as well. So congratulations to Gustav Mayberg. And hopefully we'll be able to get these seeds out to you quickly. I know South African post isn't exactly the best, but we might get lucky. So let's do this second video. So that's this one here is gone. This is the long version. Let's just grab that. And it's the same hashtag. So only 53 commenters with that hashtag on this video. So let's do a random pick. And the winner is Dasmots. You could have put a bit more than just Stay Spicy ChilliChump. Be nice to know where you're from. Congratulations to Gustav and Dasmots. I will put a reply to your comments on those videos. So hopefully you see an alert saying that you've won, or hopefully you've seen this video here. And I will get those seeds out to you as soon as we can, once I've validated that it is actually you that I'm talking to. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday. I actually just finished doing all my seed sowing today, and there's a video on that coming up next Friday, I think. So I hope you're going to stick around and make sure you are subscribed to watch that video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, stay spicy.